Just last year, a small company in Hong Kong was acquired by SoFi, opening up a huge amount of opportunity for the company to gain leverage against the traditional banks that can't keep up with the times. That company was called 8 Securities. Why was it called 8 Securities? No idea. But do you know what that company is now? SoFi Hong Kong. Welcome to Wealth Gambit. On this channel, we cover everything SoFi stock, from fundamental analysis to breaking news. Also, we recently just reached 1,000 subscribers, and shout out to the Exterminator for your comment and becoming the 1,000th subscriber. Also, please note that we are not financial advisors, so please always do your own due diligence. In this video, we will go over Commander Noto's route to success for SoFi's expansion into Asia. As SoFi continues to achieve growth in terms of members and revenue, it's important to know SoFi's long-term plans for how they plan to continue this growth into the future. Acquiring 8 Securities and turning that into SoFi Hong Kong was actually SoFi's first international move. It's just one of the many seeds that SoFi is planting. In the next few years, we're sure those seeds will start to sprout. Hong Kong is very sought after due to its tax benefits, and that's what makes it so attractive for investors. On top of all this, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is also seen as a gateway to accessing Chinese stocks, markets, and investments. Since April 2020, SoFi Hong Kong has grown a lot, and we personally believe that SoFi Hong Kong was a power move by SoFi to acquire as much data as possible within the Asian markets and use that to expand globally. If all goes well, SoFi Hong Kong can compete with huge local Chinese tech giants and get to expand into one of the world's largest markets, if not the largest market. Through trial and error, they can come up with a special blueprint that could be used. If it works in Hong Kong, they can copy and paste this formula and use it for other parts of Asia, Latin America, and many other places. A long-term chess game is unfolding. To know more about these plans, let's watch SoFi CEO Anthony Noto.
Yeah, so from a SoFi business brand perspective, we have focused on Asia. And we bought a very small company in Asia, rebranded it SoFi, and then launched SoFi Invest there. So in Asia, our primary business is SoFi Invest. We'll continue to expand throughout Asia with SoFi Invest. We have a great product there. We've done a phenomenal job of growing the assets and gaining members. And so we think we can be very differentiated in that market, and that will be the focus for us in Asia. First, SoFi Invest to other countries, and then we'll add other SoFi products on top of it. The second geographic area that's a priority is LATAM, starting with Mexico. Through our acquisition of Galileo, the payments platform, we were instantly in Mexico, and we're signing up a number of new partners in Mexico. We're also starting to expand into other countries in LATAM. So those are the two continents that we're going to focus on in addition to the US. So in North America, LATAM, and Asia. Over time, we'll look to go to other continents, but we want to make sure that we're planting seeds now. So 5 years from now, we still have compounding growth at a really high rate because we're planting the seeds today that will take over the growth rate in 3 to 5 years versus the US business today. And there's still a ton of growth in the US business, but this is about making sure we have compounding growth for decades.
SoFi Invest is one of the most valuable offerings that SoFi has. In the previous quarter, it was the segment that gave the company the most growth in new members and revenue. This is what's being offered to SoFi Hong Kong, and eventually more spots in Asia that will help SoFi hit the next big milestones. If you're bullish on SoFi like us, make sure to check out our SoFi playlist and watch all of our SoFi videos. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on SoFi news. Also, if you currently have the SoFi Hong Kong app, we want to know your thoughts on it. How's the user interface and would you recommend it? Comment down below what you think. Just recently, SoFi Hong Kong launched Auto Invest, a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money into a pool of diversified assets according to your desired returns and risk appetite. This works in a globally diversified portfolio of US-listed ETFs with over 15,000 stocks to choose from in over 35 countries. So if you're a beginner and you seem like a conservative investor who's serious about risk management, then this might be perfect for you. Not only that, but the entity is also set to increase its social invest enhancements, allowing the members to step up their investment decisions through a feature that gives them a sneak peek into other members' portfolios. SoFi is soon releasing its third quarter earnings in November. We're getting to get a crystal clear view of Commander Noto's plan on setting the stage for SoFi's success. During the next earnings call is probably when we're going to know the real score and their global expansion growth. SoFi has a strong edge with its disruptive technology as it continues to enhance and deploy internationally. All the SoFi products that will be available in those regions will definitely become the key to becoming a legend in the fintech industry. That's it for today's video, guys. We appreciate you guys watching this video. What do you think about SoFi's future? Comment down below if you're bullish or bearish. Are you holding long term, or is it just not your vibe? As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.